What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 best clothing color combinations for men. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Derwin Chambers, salute. Now, hands down, one of the questions I get asked repeatedly are what are the best colors to match when putting together different outfits? Now, I've previously done a video where I talked about matching the best colors for your skin tone. But for this video, I want to do something a little different. I'm going to give the no-brainer color combinations that work for almost any guy, no matter what skin tone, body shape, or height. So what I'm going to do in today's video is talk about those 7 color combinations that I think work for just about anybody, show you examples of myself and other guys wearing them, and talk a little bit about why I like those color combinations. So without further ado, let's get into my breakdown of the 7 best color combinations for clothing for almost any guy. Our first fail-safe color combination, we're going to go with blue and white. Whether you're talking about medium blue, navy blue, dark blue, they all go great with white. Think about it. You throw on a navy suit and a white dress shirt, easy color combination. How about a more casual look? Everybody looks great in either a white t-shirt and jeans or a white polo and jeans. No matter what the situation and no matter what your skin tone, blue and white, definitely a go-to color combination. Next up on our list of killer color combinations might be my favorite one. I'm talking about good old blue and gray. Now this, a no-brainer. Blue and gray, smooth, sophisticated, and suave. Looks good on almost everybody. Whether you're talking about a nice match of a blue blazer and some gray trousers, even some gray jeans and a blue sweater. Blue and gray, knockout. And what I found, these color combinations work on almost every guy. It's a classic, sophisticated color combination that you never can go wrong with. Definitely throw on that blue and gray. Next up on the list of color combos that look good on everybody, we gotta go with good old white and tan, or white and khaki, however you wanna go with it. To me, this is a great warm weather color that works on almost everybody, especially if you're throwing on a suit in the warm weather such as the summer. For example, with my chino cotton suit that you see here. Looks great with the white dress shirt and the chino suit. Or you can go the more traditional route with your chinos and your button-up white shirt or your white polo. White and tan or white and khaki, a beautiful color combination that's classic and looks good, casual or dressy on almost everyone. Next up, we have another one of my favorite color combinations. I'm talking about brown and gray or gray and brown. To me, great neutral color combinations that look especially good in the fall. Whether we're talking about a nice brown suit with a gray turtleneck, or this leather jacket with a gray t-shirt, or we can circle back around with this nice brown suede bomber, gray shirt and gray trousers, brown and gray, great mix of earth tones and neutrals. And to me, this color combinations look good on almost any skin tone and body type. You want a great color combination, especially for the fall, go with that brown and gray. Sticking with brown brings us to our next killer color combination. That's brown and blue. Now, whether you're talking about various shades of dark browns, dark blues, light browns, and light blues, brown and blue, another great earth tone neutral combination. As you can see here in these various shades of brown, I've got a light brown blend plaid suit with a blue tie. Or we can look all the way to the other end where I have a nice brown suede jacket with the dark denim and the navy blue V-neck. Or go to the middle with the darkest of brown with the blue tie. I think the combination brown and blue, very sophisticated, smooth, and suave. It's one I think guys don't wear often enough. And trust me, it'll look good on just about any guy out there. Next up is a color combination I love because they're very close in color, but there's enough of a contrast to make it stand out. Of course, I'm talking about what I have on today, good old green and blue. Now, green and blue is a color combination a lot of guys seem to overlook. Mainly because maybe a lot of guys just don't wear green. It's a great way to have some contrast, but the colors are close enough that it looks almost monochromatic. Like I said, because there's only a slight color contrast, I think this works well on anybody, especially shorter guys. Green and blue, a color combination I think works on almost any guy. And last, but certainly not least on my list of the best color combinations for guys, is probably the most advanced color combo. I'm talking about black and brown. Now, yeah, I know. A lot of guys say black and brown don't match. But if you do it right, it can be pulled off. I especially love to match a black pair of pants or jeans with some brown shoes. To me, this is smooth and sophisticated. And I'll even do a black suit with some brown shoes, or vice versa. Now, yes, I must admit, black and brown is an advanced style move, but I think you can pull it off. And although it might not be the easiest style combination, when done right, I think it looks good on almost every guy. Okay, so there you have it. My picks for the 7 best color combinations for almost any guy out there. Let me know in the comment section what your foolproof color combinations are. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.